Alright, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So, for today's video, i-review ko lang, no? First 500 kilometer review of Nami Burn E base. Alright, so Nami has 3 different models: Nami Klima, Nami Blast, Nami Burn E, and each model has its base and max. So the only difference between base and max is the capacity or range, no? Alright, so let's start with for Nami Burn E, so far in my experience, yung range niya is napaabot ko siya ng 73.7 kilometers, no? Before siya well, technically yun yung advisable, no? So not na hindi ka umabot below 60 volts, no? Yung full charge kasi ng Nami Burn E is around 84 volts, no? So umabot siya, I think umabot siya hanggang mga 65 volts, no? So hindi ko na siya sinagad kasi possible masira yung battery pagka ganon. So yeah, in my experience, at 65 volts, 73.7 kilometers. So that always subjective, no? It depends kasi on the weight, your weight, no? Driving mode mo, yung dinadaanan mo, kung may mga paahon ba. So in my case, daily EDSA ang aking ruta, no? So mayroong paahon doon, so traffic, paahon, etc. So what else can you say about this unit, no? So the suspension is very good, no? So isa lang masasabi ko, napaka-swabe na suspension nito. So it can be adjusted front and back, no? So yung damper, yung preload, pwede mo i-adjust. So yun yung maganda dyan, no? So depending on your depends on your driving style, no? So in my case, kinostomize ko siya. So okay na ako sa play nung suspension na to. So yun yung isa kong napansin. So sobrang lambot niya. Sobrang okay siya kahit sa lubak, no? And then yung speed, so sobrang bilis, no? So this unit comes with different modes. Merong eco, merong drive, merong sports, and then merong custom, and then merong yung X, or yung parang turbo. Okay? So in my case, sa drive mode lang okay na ako. Drive mode, maximum niyan siguro mga 60 kilometers per hour. So kung tatanungin niyo ako ano yung top speed ko rito, napaabot ko na siya ng mga 80. So medyo nakakatakot na yung 80 kasi maliit lang yung gulong nito, eh, no? So pero it can go beyond 80 kilometers. On paper sabi nila 95 kaya. So ayun, what else? Meron pa siyang damper, no? So yung damper nakakabit yan dun sa body ng motor at saka sa manubela. Sa scooter. So what does it do, no? Yung damper, it helps yung pag-control ng wobble, no? At high speed, very useful 'yun. Okay? So 'yun yung isa. Tires 11 inches. So more than enough naman. Okay naman yung kapit for my daily use. Meron siyang NFC. Okay? So NFC pang on, power on and power off ng unit. So maganda 'yon kasi di mo na kailangan susian. So parang NFC card lang, tap mo lang, magpa-power on siya. And you cannot power on yung machine without the NFC. And you cannot power it off also without the NFC card. So it comes with 2 NFC card and programmable up to 5. Pwede rin yata i-program sa cellphone. No? So you can use your cell phone to power it on. What else? So charging time. So in my case, in my experience, when I'm charging it full charge, mga around 5 to 6 hours full charge. And it comes with fast charger. So in that fast charger, meron siyang auto off functionality, no? So hindi mo na kailangan bantayan, no? Magpa-power off siya mag-isa pagka full charge na. So yung unit na to, it comes with 2 slots, charging port. So if you kung gusto nyo mas mabilis, so you just need to buy an extra charger. So you can charge your scooter for maybe 3 hours siguro. Kasi kung 6 hours one charger, so pag dalawa siguro mga 3 hours full charge. So what else? Yung bigat nito around 45 to 47 kilos. So mabigat siya. So heavy duty. It comes with enough ano bang tawag dito? Gulay board. Ayan, it comes with a board enough naman. In my case, I'm a 5'10". 5'10". Kasya naman ako dito. So more than enough na ilalagay ko pa yung gamit ko, yung bag ko dyan sa harap. What else? Meron siyang light, brakes, hydraulics, front and back. So malakas yung brakes. Yung motor pala nito, yung controller, so yun, isa yan sa pinakamaganda rito, yung controller, no? It's very programmable. You can even program na pwedeng isang motor lang yung tatakbo, pwedeng front lang, pwedeng back lang. You can even program na makontrol mo yung percentage ng lakas nung harap, lakas nung likod. So yun. So pwedeng one motor, pwedeng dual motor. Tapos yun yung mga drives, pag nilagay mo sa custom, pwede mo i-customize yun, of course. Yung preference mo, no? Kung gaano ka, ano yung response ng throttle, pwede mong gawin yan. What else? Isa sa pinaka deciding ano ko rito is yung sabi nila, this machine is a water resistant. So very important yan, lalo na sa mga nag-i-scooter, since syempre pag nabasa, actually hindi siya pwedeng mabasa, no? Yung karamihan na mga scooter hindi siya pwedeng mabasa. So in this case, water resistant siya. So very reusable yun, yung functions na yan. So this model, meron na siyang, yung upgrade version kasi nito, meron na siyang taillight at saka yung NFC nga. So what else? Yun lang. So I really enjoy using this machine as my daily transportation. And by the way, yung machine na to, mabibili nyo sa... Actually, dalawa lang yung alam ko nagbebenta nito. Si... Motor EVP at saka sa Electric Vanguard. Okay? So, kay Electric Vanguard ko siya nabili. Located dyan sa Makati. So, mas malapit lang kasi ako doon. Kaya doon ko siya binili. And I bought it. Nabili ko siya ng 125,000 for the Nami Burn E base. Okay. So, I think mas mura siya kay Vanguard, no? Mas mura na 5,000. So, para naka-discount, naka-promo pa sila nung nabili ko, no? So, if you're planning to buy an electric scooter, like this one, Nami, sulit siya para sa akin. In my opinion, I use this as my daily transportation, back and forth office, bahay, bili-bili ng gulay sa palengke and everything. Napakasulit niya. So, you can save fuel cost. You can even save yung parking. Kasi in my case, na dadala ko siya sa loob ng office, no? Naiakyat ko siya sa office. So, you can save lot of money, no? Well, one-time gastos. Pero kung yun nga, daily ano ka naman, pumapasok ka, edi you can save na yung ano, parking and fuel cost. And what else? Ayun, sige. So, until next time, abangan nyo na lang siguro yung mga ibang videos ko, uploads ko, mga rides ko. And I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!